Hi folks, we're back at Ron and Manilyn's place to do an update on their renovations of their house, and they've done a lot of work over here since the last time. These guys right now are building forms. They're going to put up some posts in order to have a gate. There's going to be a gate out here by the road, so they're building forms in order to put up posts for the gate. And a big change is we got this new building here, which is a little sari-sari store, and I've been told that Ron actually works in that store sometimes. So that's the big change for right now. And of course, these concrete walls are different. They're new, and we got this carport that they put in because they have a car now. And they didn't have a car before, but they have one now. So there's a lot of changes here, at least on the outside. So inside they have some new furniture, or some different furniture. Huh?
That's a rounded gallery. It's not a rounded gallery.
And they got these, I'm not sure what you call this exactly, these things to separate the rooms. And this is a little different. They have a satellite TV thing. And we have Hello Kitty up there. We have more than one Hello Kitty. See, now they haven't done anything up here, but I'll bet you anything that leaks when it rains, because sometimes it rains hard around here. But I'll bet it leaks. So we're inside the sari-sari store, and we're selling beer and Coca-Cola. And this is a well-stocked store. And they have a big refrigerator. Big refrigerator. I'm selling ice and some kind of icy treat. I'm not sure what that is. And here's the businesswoman right here, Manilyn. Okay. And she's making a fortune. She's going to be a Filipino millionaire.
And there's a stooge.
And we got Ron.
Yeah. It's me again.
Huh?
It's me again.
Yeah.
Hey, Don.
And she has plenty of business in this store. I'm not sure what this is. You need a potato peeler. That's a big refrigerator.
Yeah.
Who's this here?
My cousin.
Your cousin? She's working in your store?
My cousin Vinny.
She's working in your store?
It's my cousin Vinny.
Jinky.
With Joe Pesky.
So what's her name? Huh? What?
What is your name, my dear? Speak up.
I'm Jinky.
Jinky?
What's drinking?
So Jinky is serving the beer. She wants to be famous. That's why she's on my video. So there's a power failure right now, which is common, but it doesn't really matter that much to Filipinos because they do almost everything with hand tools. There's very little done with power tools. Sometimes, but not often. So this is a look at the front of the store, and we have a couple of guys out here drinking a little beer. But they told me that they're not going to drink enough to get drunk. Okay? So they're drinking Red Horse.
Seafood. Bahala na, makita ko nung ito, sikat ko.
Okay rin, kapalo mo tag in English at ginagmay?
Ay, inilisa ko.
Kuan. How's your day?
So there's still no second floor, but you can see that satellite dish up there. So I'll bet when it rains they get a lot of water through that opening up there.
Look at my face.
This is a very busy little store, actually. Very busy. Manilyn says that she sells 3,000 pesos per day in this store. A lot of action around here right now. Lots of action. So this is for the rebar for inside those posts. And they do everything by hand here, which in some ways is good, but it takes a lot longer when you do it like that. Everything is done by hand. So that's why things a lot of times take a lot longer in the Philippines. because it's all done by hand. So there's Ron, and he seems happy. He seems basically pretty happy about things. That's really what counts. If he and Manilyn are happy, that's really the important thing. We have a Filipino washing machine. That looks like a pretty fancy one. I wonder if that has a spin cycle. Yeah, I just checked, and that has a spin cycle or spin setting. You can set it for spin. My wife has a washing machine, but hers doesn't have spin. Next time I'm here, there'll be a gate of some kind right here on this little driveway. So we'll see as time progresses.